Welcome to this yet another episode of Productive Millionaire Daily. In this web series, today is the episode number 3. I have a lot of things to discuss. We have a detailed segment to work on in this episode. Let's jump into this. Welcome to the first segment. The first segment is tool of the day. Today the tool is focusbuddy.ai. This is a wonderful focus tool. Using this tool, you can focus on your work very easily. Actually, when I found this tool, I thought it's a little bit difficult to use. Actually, it's not. Okay. So you can sign up with your Google. It's completely free. You can work on the right thing at the right time using this tool. It has a AI voiceover. Okay. Not only that, it has check-ins. Every 5 minutes, 10 minutes, you can set up the check-ins also to hold you accountable, and insights on, it will give you some insight like how you're working, how you're taking break. And not only that, it's completely anonymous and no one is tracking your work, and it's free also. Like you can try a for free version, completely free. You can see this. This is the free version of the focusbuddy.ai. Once you go home, you can start taking the task. You can add the task if you want. I have added one task, bootcamp. I have added one task, YouTube video creation. You can start working with AI. Click on this button. It will start working on this. It will give you the AI instructions, voice or instructions to focus on the work for certain hours.
Start a new task or continue working on YouTube video. Just FYI, if I ever interrupt you while you're speaking, just double tap the blue mute button and I won't interrupt you until you're done speaking. Would you like to start a new task or continue with the current YouTube video task?
I want to work with the current task, which is the YouTube video.
Great. The last thing you were working on was the call to action subtask. Would you like to continue with that or start on another subtask?
Yes, I want to continue with the current subtask only.
Sounds good. Would you like me to check in on you while you're working? And if so, how often?
Yes, check in every 15 minutes.
I'll check in with you every 15 minutes. Keep me on mute until you need anything.
Can you see that? So this is how you can use this focus buddy and you can start finishing the work one by one. Okay. And not only that, you can see the tracker also. You can see the work tracker, how many hours you're working on which activity. This is completely free. You can try it out and let me know. The link is in the description. You can click the link in the description and start using this focusbuddy.ai completely free. Segment number 2. Interesting news on productivity. You know what? In the World War II, the interesting invention is nothing but cryptography. Cryptography is a subject where they convert the normal message into some form of code. Using that code, they transfer the code with sparrows, with pigeons, even with some form of messaging formats. Once it goes to the receiver, it's automatically decrypted. This is how the machines works. And not only that, you can see the normal code, the simple cryptography examples. Let's say you replace A with D, B with E, C with F. Like that, it's called +3. You can just replace every letter with the +3 example so that you can simply change the code. You know what? This is a simple example of cryptography. How you can implement it in your life is, I found when you are over discussing about your goals with your friends or with your family members, the dopamine is releasing very fast. Instead of over discussing with them, better you can write them into a crypto format and you read it whenever you want. Don't openly share your goals with others because they will read anyway. If you write it in the normal way, they will read, and when someone read, they will ask. We have the shyness. Better to write it in the cryptography format. Okay, so you can try it out, the cryptography format. It has curiosity, it has more fun, and you can also have more motivation to work on your goals than opening up to the people. Okay, you can try it out and let me know how it is. The segment number 3 is wealth building tip. If you really want to grow massive and grow exponentially in your life, the simple wealth building tip is this: self-education. It's not about only finishing the education in the college and remove that. Start your self-education after the college, especially 1 to 5%. Okay. 1 to 5% of your every month income, you can spend it on self-education. It can be courses, it can be mentorship, it can be masterminds, it can be any events, it can be reading books. Some form of self-education has to happen. Okay. And not only that, when you are investing in yourself, automatically you become more valuable in the market. When you become more valuable in the market, you can give more value in the reciprocation, you make more money. But the problem is we don't spend much money on courses. We don't spend much money on events, masterminds. Even I have a mastermind called Productive Millionaire Mastermind. In that mastermind, I am helping professionals building their side hustles, scaling their careers, scaling their businesses, becoming more structured in their life, and working on leaving their legacy and achieving that $1 million in their life. Okay, so you can invest into any form of learning, self-education. Actually, I like this quote from this James Umber. Okay, he told that using self-education to teach yourself and learn anything, achieve financial freedom or land your dream job. Whatever the way, wherever you are in, you're a homemaker or a student or some form in life, you can start educating yourself. Okay, even the question for the day segment is also the same. How much do you invest in self-education every month? Please pause this video and write it in the comments. How much are you investing per month on self-education? If it is zero, please type 0 in the comments and write why. Why are you not investing? Don't you have enough money? Are you not interested to grow? Now onwards, take that promise, take that oath to invest at least 1 to 5% of your income or your salary for the self-education that you believe in. Okay, so that you grow faster than you think. When I look back, I have invested more than 50 lakhs in my personal development. I went into a lot of courses, masterminds, events, one-to-ones, booking, books, more than 200 plus books. If you look back, if I look back, I found that the more returns, the ROI will be more than 100 times. Okay, I invested 50 lakhs and I made around 3-4 crores in sales and revenue in the last 4-5 years. If everything goes away from my life, I can build in just months. I can build everything back in just months because I have the skill set, I have the mindset, I have the strategy. Because I just built that. I become valuable in the market. You understand? So just pause this video and write how much are you investing, where are you investing, what tools you're purchasing, what courses you're purchasing, and where are you going, what events you're trying. Try it out and just give that promise to invest if you're not investing on the self-education. Okay, and if you really like this, hit the like symbol. The bonus for you is tomorrow at 7 p.m. I'm doing a 3-hour advanced workshop on Plan Your 2025 using my Productive Millionaire Blueprint. Actually, it is a paid workshop, but if you're following my episodes, it's completely free. Click the link below in the description and register for it. And it's a very advanced where I go deep into about how to plan your 2025 for exponential growth. And I'm going to show you how to focus more than 8 hours a day using my focus like monk and flow states. Along with that, I'm going to show you how to achieve 100% consistency on your goals so that you can achieve decades in years. Okay, just pause this video, click the link below in the description and just sign up for the tomorrow's 7 p.m. bootcamp. The next segment is 1-minute productive tip. In this segment, you will learn how to self-learn. Okay, so in this 1-minute productive tip, there are 2 modes of learning, either weekday learning or weekend learning. In weekday learning, you can learn 1 hour a day. 1 hour a day on your skill set, on your business, on your career, it's up to you, but learn 1 hour a day. You can take a time slot also, like 7 to 8 p.m., 8 to 9 p.m. It's up to you. 1 hour a day if you have enough time in the job. But Ramesh, I don't have enough time in the job. What should I do? If you don't have time on the weekdays, understand you can try weekend learning. Weekend, Saturday 4 hours, Sunday 4 hours. Okay. And very important is, when I say learning, doesn't mean that it's only learning. Because nowadays, information overload is too much. We are chasing too many shiny objects. To avoid that, you can learn plus implement in the same slot. If I say 1 hour learning a day, it means 30 minutes learning, 30 minutes implement what you learn. If you are not implementing, then you just forget in 2-3 days and it's just a waste of your time. Even this episode, if you're watching this, after finishing this episode, you think about it. How can I implement this tip? And implement it immediately. Okay. And one more thing is filter test. This is a new test I have created. Instead of randomly going through sessions, instead of randomly purchasing courses, instead of randomly investing, ask this question. Is it implementable in the current state of my life? If it is not implementable, don't learn. Why are you learning? Why are you even learning in the first place? Cut down that learning. If you like this, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. If you're brand new to me, this is Ramesh Yadav, best-selling author of the book, Timeless Productivity. Okay, so in terms of learning, especially learn for the next step of your goals, learn either weekday or weekend. Very important. Okay, and the last segment in this episode is the task for the day. In the task for the day is, I'm going to give you something called Productive Millionaire Playbooks. In these playbooks, I'm writing multiple books for you. The intention behind these playbooks is to teach you everything in between to become a productive millionaire. Okay, so I can teach from personal branding to every topic, like frugality, decision making, money management, investments. You can see the topics here, and my goal is to write 1,000 playbooks. I'll write 1,000 playbooks. Just click the link in the description and open the playbook homepage. This is the homepage, and start reading one book. Start reading one book. And once you are reading, you can see each playbook has 10 rules, just 10 rules. Read that rule, try to implement it in your life. Try to implement it in your life. And even I can show you other rules also. See other books. Let's say, let me open Reels De-Addiction. How to de-addict from Reels. This is how the strategy is. Suppose you want to learn investments, productive investments. So you can go deep into any book. You can go deep into any book and start investing, start implementing in your life and become a productive millionaire. And if you really like this episode, I hope you're watching this since 3 days. This is episode number 3. Just give your valuable feedback and like this episode. And very important is, please register for tomorrow's 7 p.m. bootcamp. It is only for my non-community members. If you're a community member, that's not for you, because anyway you're getting learning from the community calls. Okay, and one more thing is, only this episode's Monday to Friday. Saturday, Sunday completely holiday for you. So tomorrow, I'll see you tomorrow in the episode number 4, Friday 5 p.m. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel. Your likes, comments and subscriptions are very important to me. That is motivating me to push to hit that 10,000 mark, 10,000 subscribers. My goal is to hit the 10,000 subscribers as fast as possible. And if you're watching this continuously since 3 episodes, please share this with 1 or 2 people who you really believe in. Right? I'm damn consistent to deliver this. You can share it with your people in your WhatsApp groups, in your Facebook channels, so that let's hit more people, let's help more people to become very productive. I hope I'm putting more than 3 hours of effort to deliver this episode. You can just share it with as many people as possible. Thank you for watching.